While you remain completely unaware, hackers are already trying to breach your security defenses. By the time system administrators notice the intrusion, the damage is often already done. Like lightning slipping through a lock, a hacker's strike happens before you even realize it. A cyber attack usually unfolds in 3 steps. Step 1. Steal your credentials. Hackers often use brute force attacks, keyloggers, or disguise themselves through phishing emails. Once inside the system, hackers attempt to escalate their privileges, becoming administrators to bypass other security detections. Finally, they target the most critical servers and files, databases, backups, and more, stealing and encrypting the data for ransom. To fight hackers, we need a completely new way of thinking about defense. Make sure hackers can't connect and can't even see you. Like a stealth fighter jet, vanishing beyond enemy radar. When the enemy can't see you, they can't strike. TrustONE applies this very concept to cybersecurity, using stealth technology to hide your core systems. When hackers can neither connect nor discover, they can't steal or encrypt your data. TrustONE Stealth Connection Security makes hackers unable to connect. Traditional passwords are easy to crack, so TrustONE replaces them with multi-factor authentication. Whether it's Face ID, fingerprint, one-time passwords, OTP, or the TrustONE app, access is both secure and seamless. Users no longer need to remember complex passwords nor fear credential theft. In addition, TrustONE includes the TrustGate access control platform, precisely managing permissions. Users can only access authorized systems, preventing privilege escalation attacks. TrustONE provides a compliant 3-phase zero-trust architecture, identity authentication, device verification, and trust algorithm, ensuring every login meets the highest security standards. Keeps core system invisible to hackers. It safeguards every type of core system: database, backup, Active Directory, GPOs, and Hyper-V. To hackers, these servers are completely invisible, leaving them nowhere to strike. Meanwhile, authorized users can still log in and operate as usual. Protection works silently without disrupting daily operations. TrustONE Stealth Defense, the first line in building cyber resilience. When hackers can neither connect nor discover, your most critical assets remain truly protected.